Turning wrenches, welding steel, diagnosing problems. Welcome to the world of the Army National Guard 91 series of military occupational specialties. These crucial jobs are the backbone of operations. They are the mechanics and repair specialists who will make sure the Army National Guard keeps moving forward. The 91 series can be broken into two categories of focus: vehicle maintenance and equipment maintenance. Each aspect has multiple jobs to choose from. On the vehicle side, you will have the opportunity to be trained to work on everything from Humvees to large trucks. You could also be working on some of the most advanced mobile fighting vehicles in the world, like the M1 Abrams tank or the Bradley fighting vehicle. If you choose a job in the equipment maintenance side of the 91 series, you will have the chance to receive paid training in valuable and sought-after trade fields: HVAC repair, welding, metal machining, and even gunsmithing skills are all available specialties in the 91 series. Serving part-time in the Army National Guard means you have the opportunity to take these new abilities home and use them to jumpstart a civilian career. Many of the training programs soldiers go through in the 91 series equip them with the knowledge and skills that are widely recognized by civilian professional organizations, so they can achieve professional certifications at no cost to them.
Most of the skills in the 91 series you can bring to the civilian side. We have civilian certifications that we can get that will transfer immediately over into the civilian world.
Being paid to get trained is always great, because people, to get these same certifications, it's usually like 6 months to a year, and you also have to pay for the schooling. So we're getting paid in a short amount of time, so I can get to work faster and start making money.
From 91 Alpha to 91 Sierra, choosing a military occupational specialty in this series is a chance to step into a whole new world of opportunity. The training you will receive will help you prepare to advance and succeed in and out of uniform.
Just having the experience and learning, the trade is amazing. You'll be able to utilize it in your everyday life, not just the military.
If you're ready to play a crucial role and join a dedicated team that will help build your future, go to nationalguard.com/careers and click on the mechanics and maintenance icon, or talk to your local recruiter about the excitement waiting for you as a mechanic for the Army National Guard.